Before the break, we wanted to show you that damage over in Houston. Folks are seeing a ton of it, a lot of aftermath just west of us. Take a look. This is extensive damage left behind in a Pasadena neighborhood. I mean, it looks like houses have been flattened there. This is damage from a gym in Pasadena. It seems that's the gym right there. The roof has completely come off. There's fencing all over the place. An entire metal frame building was leveled off Fairmount Parkway and Pansy Street in Pasadena. Police and witnesses tell our sister station in Houston. Fortunately, no one was inside or hurt at the time.